Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you, my hair looks a lot better lately, and people keep commenting that I've got a thick head of hair. I didn't get hair transplants, but I started taking care of my hair. Just like you need to take in protein to build muscle, just like a little bit of vitamin C is going to help your immune system, well, get all that keratin and get all those special ingredients, biotin and zinc and everything you need to actually grow your hair thicker, and it makes a world of difference. Now, we've probably already showed you the before and the after, but yeah, this really does a world of difference. You just take 4 of them every single day. It's a great supplement that is proprietary. It's got the Synergen complex. It includes saw palmetto, which is great for, if you're a guy, it's great for your prostate, it's great for your body. It also, that saw palmetto helps bind with some of those things that will tighten up your follicles. It's got vitamin A, C, D, E, biotin, iodine. You know, I can't say I know all of the science of it, but I know it works. I'm very happy with my hair. I wasn't happy with my hair, and I think this is a good supplement. So if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. Does it really work? The answer is heck yes. And just think about it. Again, if you have a race car and you want it performing, you put in the right fuel. You're the race car, this is the fuel. Go ahead and check it out. It really does work. I like it.